Welcome to Riverside Park, where quality, luxury, and affordability meet. Our community makes it easy to live in style, and we're happy to welcome your pets. There's a refreshing pool surrounded by a spacious sun deck. You'll also have access to our clubhouse where you can socialize with friends, the business center for when duty calls, and a fully equipped fitness center that has everything you need for a vigorous workout. Select any of our 1, 2, or 3-bedroom homes and enjoy hardwood floors, ample closet space, and a full-size washer and dryer. You'll have a private patio, as well as an open kitchen with modern appliance package, comfortable bedrooms, and large baths. Based in Farmers Branch, you'll have everything you need from retail, shopping, and dining to recreation and entertainment nearby. Being surrounded by major thoroughfares makes reaching it quick and easy to get around. Stop by for a visit at Riverside Park today.